Okay. So now I'm gonna show you a little different way, maybe, because like on a shot like this, when we have so much green to work with, really when we throw it up in the air, we got a lot more time for the ball to go the wrong place. So on a shot like this, I'd rather get it rolling quicker. So instead of your sandwich there, I'd like you to use maybe like an 8-iron. And here, I'll show you once how I'd rather. And with an 8-iron, when you can just put it back in your stance, a pretty similar setup. It's just the ball will go a lot lower, so you can kind of take the same. And then if you miss it also, you don't have to be as precise with the contact because you'll still get it rolling, and so it'll go closer to your target. So really, just take a nice low one like that, and it just rolls all the way down to the hole. I didn't hit that particularly well or bad, but it still ended up in a pretty good spot.
All right.
So let's see you hit.
Sounds easy, Coach.
See you hit one like that.
All right.
See if you can get a little better scope. Nice. All right. Now, generally, I've kind of seen you've been hitting a little bit of the draws, which is fine. I mean, it's good to hit it, but then sometimes you kind of overdo it a little bit, don't you? Yeah, and basically it kind of comes down to you just have a little extra motion in your swing, because kind of what we want to do is we want as little motion as possible. Really, we want the club to move with as little effort as we can. So we don't, like, what I've noticed is you're kind of starting down here, and then you stand up with your backswing, and then from there you really work down and really get after it like that. And you're making really good contact most of the time, but that'll lead to inconsistency distance-wise and actually a little bit contact-wise too. So kind of what I want to try to see you do, set you up here, kind of want to see you get a little on your backswing, just maybe go a little slower. And then your transition is so violent that if we can really focus on just smoothing it out a little bit, you'll become a lot more consistent. Okay?